This is unbelievable. I'm speechless. Bobby O'Donnell. I race motocross events, favorite tracks, Redbud, run every Redbud I can. I'm excited this year because I'm racing the 40 plus class as opposed to 30 plus, which, you know, taking a 21-year-old break and coming back with those guys, you know, it's a little bit more difficult. So, you know, I'm excited. I'm excited to, you know, race this bike actually. Grew up racing motocross in the 80s and 90s. Got in a bad accident when I was 18 years old. Took 21 years off, was diagnosed with cancer, and then had recovered from that finally, and decided I wanted to start racing again. It was a crazy day. So the night before we had put our dog down, and I was celebrating my 40th birthday. I got the call from Lori, and I was like, this is unbelievable. You know what I mean? It was just an amazing gift for an amazing cause. You know, especially with Road to Recovery, I never thought I'd win the bike. I'm so grateful. I was in shock. I wanted a modern, you know, two-stroke, and the thing just looked great. What stands out about this bike is everything stands out about this bike. I mean, you guys did an amazing job. The color scheme, the parts, just everything about this bike. I mean, the marketing that you guys had, the pictures you guys had, you know, it looks ready to tear up. There's no more fun bike to ride than a two-stroke. I mean, you know, just getting out on the track and, you know, just, I mean, it's, to explain it, it would be like, I could only imagine it's what surfers feel like, but you're on a dirt bike and you're just cruising. I mean, just the sound, you know, everything about a two-stroke is just unbelievable. I'm glad that two-strokes are coming back. When I hear the name Wiseco, I think performance. I mean, and it's just, to me, it's the biggest name in motorsports, and you know, it's just, you guys have been unbelievable to the sport, and it's cool to be here today and see everything that you guys have evolved into.